One of the most common things that I hear when I'm talking with veterans and service members about why they haven't used their VA home loan or why they're still renting is their credit. Whether they say they have bad credit or they have a lack of credit. And this is a constant reminder that no one is telling us the actual VA home loan rules, which is the VA does not have a credit score requirement for the VA home loan benefit. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where this rule is stated, how it works, and how it can work in your benefit if credit is a big concern for you. Then you will have a complete understanding of the credit score requirements for the VA home loan benefit, and you'll be able to make a confident decision without relying on the suspect opinion of others. Because this channel is meant to inform and guide veterans and service members regarding their VA home loan opportunities and to help them achieve home ownership. And since we're on this subject, like I just stated, this channel is made to inform and guide veterans and service members with their VA home loan opportunities. So right now, I want you to like this video. Doing this is going to help the YouTube algorithm deliver this very valuable information to other veterans and service members, and it will help change their life. So real quick, hit that like button. It will help another vet or service member. Thank you. So before we get into the VA home loan handbook regarding the credit requirements, we need to understand something about the VA home loan. The VA home loan guarantee is backed by the Department of Veteran Affairs, meaning that they set the rules, guidelines, and requirements for the VA home loan benefit. And they authorize certain mortgage lenders to originate the loan for the borrower, or you. So why is this important? You as a borrower are not going to be working directly with the VA. Instead, you'll be working with a mortgage lender or a bank that is authorized to do the VA home loan on your behalf. And these mortgage lenders or these banks are authorized by the VA to create their own rules on top of the rules the VA has already set. An example of this would be a credit score requirement. So if you or somebody you know in the past has been denied for their VA home loan benefit based off of their credit score, it was not because they failed to meet the VA requirements for the VA home loan benefit, but they were working with a mortgage lender that was creating their own rules instead. Let me prove it to you. Right here is the VA Lender's Handbook, Chapter 4, Credit Underwriting, Topic 7, Credit History. And if we look at the very last line, determine whether the borrower is a satisfactory credit risk based on a careful analysis of the credit report and other credit data, period. VA does not have a minimum credit score requirement. In the VA Lender's Handbook right here, it states VA does not have a minimum credit score requirement. So right now, really quick, if you did not know the information that I just talked about with the lenders and the overlays and the credit score requirement, in the comments right now, I want you to put credit. Doing this will help me understand you as the audience and your level of knowledge about the VA home loan, and eventually it will help me create the right content and the right videos so that you become the most informed. So please, 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 right now, if you did not know that information, put credit right now. Thank you. So luckily for you, the mortgage lenders that I work with, that I refer, that I prefer personally, professionally, follow the VA home loan guidelines to a T, meaning that they have zero overlays for their VA home loan rules, and they will not deny you based off of only your credit score. So if you have questionable credit, or if you have lack of credit history, let's reference the VA handbook again. Looking at the adverse credit data section. In circumstances not involving bankruptcy, so this does not apply if you have filed for bankruptcy. Everyone else, satisfactory credit is generally considered to be reestablished after the borrowers have made satisfactory payments for 12 months after the last derogatory remark. Meaning that if you have 12 months of on-time payments, your credit score will not keep you from using your VA home loan benefit. This is how veterans and service members with less than ideal credit or with lack of credit history can be approved for their VA home loan benefit. Just remember that just because you are approved or you qualify for the VA home loan benefit does not mean that it's going to be in your best interest. Using the credit history method for approval opposed to the credit score method may have negative factors like higher interest rates or higher origination cost or just an overall less desirable loan terms. So it may not put you in the best situation possible. This is why I always advise buyers to talk about their VA home loan benefits and opportunities with a mortgage lender that they know and they trust and they can have an open conversation with to really lay out your entire scenario of what your next 12, 24 months look like and how much you're paying in rent right now, or maybe how much you're paying in interest on your current mortgage, and see what really makes the most sense for you as a borrower. But just because you're approved does not mean that it is a great loan benefit for you. So I hope this video gave you a better understanding of the VA home loan benefit and the credit score requirements or the lack thereof. And if you have not yet in this video, go ahead and drop a like and then subscribe for future VA home loan tips, tricks, guidance. It's my personal and professional experience, and I want to share it with you. Liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to this channel, it will help push this information out to other veterans and service members that need it. So my name is Dylan Sievering. I'm a North Carolina real estate broker. In the last 5 years, me and my family have used our VA home loan benefits to buy several $1 million in VA home loan real estate. Now I use this channel to inform and guide veterans and service members with their VA home buying opportunities from coast to coast. I schedule calls with veterans and service members 7 days a week to discuss their opportunities, their goals, and put them in the right direction, introduce them to the right mortgage lenders, the right real estate brokers. So whether you are buying, building, duplex, triplex, fourplex, barn dominium, modular, manufactured, I can get you in contact with the right people and set you up for a smooth transaction. I have nothing to sell you, no courses, I'm not a guru. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.